Hey mathematicians, let's start off with a review of how to multiply multiples of 10. Let's start here with number 1. How can I find the product of 9 times 80? Well, those are some pretty big numbers. Well, I know that 9 groups of 8 ones is 72. 9 times 8 is 72, and I can show that here with my model. I have 9 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and there's 8 in each group, 72. That's not what my problem was. My problem was 9 times 80. Well, I know 8 tens makes 80. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Here I have 9 groups of 8 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 groups of 8 tens must be 72 tens. But now the question is, how can I represent 72 tens a different way? Well, to figure out another way to represent 72 tens, I could sit here and I could count each 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, but that would take a really long time. I can look at it in a hundreds, tens, and ones chart. I can regroup 70 of my tens for 700s, leaving me with 2 tens and 0 ones. So 9 groups of 80, or 9 times 80, equals 720. Let's keep practicing with number 2. John says 4 times 6 is 4 groups of 6 ones. 4 times 6 equals 24. I totally agree with John. Complete the sentences to describe 4 times 60 in a similar way. Well, that reminds me of the last problem we did. 4 times 60 is 4 groups of 6. So here's my model. I have 4 groups of 60. So I have 4 groups of 6. They're not ones, they're tens. So 4 groups of 60 is 4 groups of 6 tens. And 4 times 60 then must equal 240. Now let's have you give it a try. Don't forget to show your teacher how you did.